Hey Brian, tell us where you work and tell us a little bit about the Paint Pro.
Steymeist RV and Boat, Placerville, California.
Okay. What benefits are you getting with the Paint Pro here?
Faster dry times, clears flowing better and actually drying between coats better.
Yeah.
Allowing me to put it on faster.
Okay. Okay. So tell us a little bit about this job you're working on right here.
4 different colors. I've got a dark gray, a black, a white, and a light gray. I've got 2 colors on here already today. A lot of masking, as you can tell with the graphics. I probably won't be able to get all 4 colors on today, but if I had a simple 4-color job without all the graphics, I would absolutely be able to do all 4 colors and clear today.
Wow.
In one 8-hour day.
Okay. So tell me about your usage of your clear. Are you seeing a reduction in the amount of clear that you're using? Are you seeing any benefits
Absolutely.
when you're clearing?
Most of the time I'll put a 3rd coat on a clear just to give me a little bit extra and to make it flow a little better, make it a little bit heavier body, not so dry. With the Paint Pro, it's flowing better. Doesn't matter what clear I'm using. So I'm literally just down to 2 coats of clear now.
Wow, that's awesome. So when you got this Paint Pro, it was a little cooler out, especially in the mornings.
Absolutely.
You were liking it in the mornings because it was cool and
Yep.
it was actually warming up and allowing you to do more.
Yeah.
Now today, it's nearly 100 degrees
In the booth.
in the booth. Are you still using the Paint Pro when it's 100 degrees?
Yep. Just used it 30 minutes to go on the white and
Yeah.
dry to touch.
And you're using it on the 105 setting
Today I did, yeah.
today.
Yeah.
When you get into the cooler months, you'd be using it on the warm-up setting?
Warm up and sometimes 105, depends on if it's a metallic or not.
So you did automotive painting before. Would you use this in an automotive setting as well as the RV?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What benefits would you see with, back when you were doing automotive painting? How would it have benefited you there?
I would have got cars in and out faster. I
Yeah.
probably would have had at least 1 more car a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 more car a day. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. Thank you, Brian. Appreciate it.
You're very welcome.